Welcome to Group VR, a revolutionary app for delivering synchronized immersive experiences to an unlimited number of learners. You will need 2 or more Android devices with inbuilt gyroscopes to get that full 360-degree experience. Head to the Google Play Store and search for Group VR. Group VR gives you a pair of apps, an Instructor app and a Learner app. Open the Instructor app on one device and open the Learner version on all other devices. By being connected to the same Wi-Fi network, no internet required. Copy your video clips into the Movies folder on your Instructor device. Then use the Group VR file picker. You can synchronize files with the Instructor device at the tap of a button. Pick a 360-degree video on the Instructor device and watch it appear on all your learners' devices. The rest is up to you. Play, pause, and scrub through the video as you deliver an immersive experience for all your learners in perfect synchrony. The potential uses for Group VR are unlimited. So what are you waiting for? Download Group VR now.